Alright, let's see if we could beat her score, man. I think we were at like 71k. I didn't really like the level design in the last one. Let's bring out some new zones. We need a new district or something. Change up the scenery. This one's looking a little better though. Level design looks very nice. Second run of the day. See how far we can get. Subway Surfer City. There's Tricky. Gaming on Michael Daniel film. We got a hoverboard. Very nice. I'm gonna hit my vape while I play real quick. We're gonna get a bubble real quick. We got a bubble. Let's go. There's Fresh with this fresh haircut. Let's go. We got a bubble. This one's looking very nice. Very nice level design. I want to go to that futuristic city. Let's go to that futuristic city. Hopefully it changes. A higher score, you go to different districts sometime. Oh yeah. We're in the futuristic city now. Give me a high five. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Michael Daniel film. We're in the mall right now. We got a hoverboard. Fast reflex zone. Past the fast reflex zone. But with this game, it's harder than the OG original. I almost died. But I didn't. Let's go sky high. Got a hoverboard. Nice. That hoverboard saved me. 50k. I want to get 100k. That's the goal. $53k. There's Fresh. Got a hoverboard. This is getting scary now. We're going at 6.1 speed. It's like 8,000 miles an hour. 62,000. Got a hoverboard. Nice. $66,000. I just like woke up right now too, so I'm kind of like a little bit sleepy still, and I still got reflexes. I think we beat our old score. Let's keep going. Got a magnet. Doing. Oh, man. Shouldn't have used that hoverboard, bro. We beat our old score, but we only got 75,000. Alright, guys, that's enough Subway Surfers for today.